Title: Lessons from the Hadith, Practicing Hygiene and Etiquette in Islam. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you are all in the best of health and Iman. Today, we are beginning with a new Hadith, a beautiful and profound teaching of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Let's reflect upon this Hadith and derive lessons that can help us live better lives as Muslims. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Chapter 18. It is forbidden to clean the private parts with the right hand. Hadith. Narrated Abu Qatada, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "Whenever any one of you drinks water, he should not breathe in the drinking utensil. And whenever any one of you goes to a lavatory, he should neither touch his private parts, nor clean his private parts with his right hand." Sahih Bukhari, Book of Wudu, Hadith 153. Lessons learned from the Hadith. 1. Etiquette in drinking water. This Hadith reminds us of the importance of maintaining cleanliness and proper manners, even in simple acts like drinking water. Breathing into the vessel can contaminate it, which is against the principles of hygiene in Islam. 2. Respect for the right hand. Islam places emphasis on using the right hand for noble and clean tasks like eating, drinking, and greeting others. The left hand, by contrast, is designated for personal hygiene and other less clean tasks. 3. A comprehensive approach to hygiene. Islam teaches us a holistic way of life, ensuring both physical cleanliness and spiritual purity. These etiquettes reflect the emphasis our religion places on living with discipline, mindfulness, and respect for divine guidance. Conclusion. In summary, this hadith highlights the importance of discipline and attention to detail in our everyday actions. Islam encourages us to uphold cleanliness, respect for our bodies, and the distinction between pure and impure acts. Such teachings guide us to live with mindfulness, ensuring both our physical and spiritual well-being. May Allah grant us the ability to implement these beautiful sunnahs in our daily lives. May He purify our hearts, actions, and intentions, and enable us to lead a life that pleases Him. Ameen. My dear viewers, Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching my video, supporting my channel, and giving your precious time to learn and grow in faith. I hope you all found this lesson valuable. If you did, please share it with your family and friends, so we can grow together as an Islamic community. My dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my channel. May Allah bless you all abundantly. Until next time, take care of yourselves, stay happy, and spread joy to those around you. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.